Good morning, everybody. I'd like to welcome y'all to Royal Kennels. Got a little video of Lefty x Diamond litter. Diamond is shaking back well. She's starting to eat. Pups are 1 week old. And they are looking amazing. Look how fat that girl is. Look at the head on that boy. I mean, look at a white one. He's getting thick. This girl here looking amazing. My tribe male, he's looking great. All the other females, I mean, the litter is so nice, man. I'm very impressed with it. What, Mama? What you said? Diamond don't want to go with you. Why not? Because why? Oh my goodness. Really, Diamond? Really? Well, Diamond wants to stay with her babies. As you can see, I got my daughter Bree with me. We got the gate open. We bought Diamond and her puppies, and I mean, she has no worry about us at all. She's just doing her thing. Put that up, Brianna. She's doing her thing, and it's all good. All of them got awesome heads. I mean, they are truly, truly amazing dogs. Thank y'all for watching. It's just a little update of the puppies. Stop it, Bree. Just a little update of the puppies for y'all so y'all can see how they coming. And as you all can see, they are truly amazing. Hope y'all have a great day, and God bless y'all.